Did you know I can ask you to change the background of this video from this to this? And also bring a chair behind me, bring in a desk, and drop in a microphone. And just like that, you have got a full-blown virtual studio. Now, what if I told you that I can do all these too, completely free, using just your phone? Sounds good, right? But it's 100% possible. Here's all you need: ChatGPT or Deepseek to write a perfect prompt, ImageFX to generate the images that you use, and to bring everything to life, you use CapCut or any video editor you prefer. Let's get started.
Alright, so we start by creating a prompt for our images. So you go to Deepseek or ChatGPT and paste the prompt. I'll leave it in the description box here. You paste it for you to give you the prompt. Alright, that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, so the prompt for our background is ready. So we have to copy everything and head over to ImageFX. Alright. Okay, you search on Google ImageFX and then open it. Okay. So you paste it here. You paste it here. Alright. And remember to go to settings and make sure it's in landscape. Yeah. So that's what I just selected right now. Alright, so the background image has been generated. You just have to download them onto your computer, onto your phone. Alright, so that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, so I'm generating another background for our video. Alright, you can generate unlimited backgrounds and you scoop through to find the best background for your video. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. This isn't bad either, so you can download them as well. So let's just download them. Okay. Alright. Alright, so we have gotten the background that we are going to use. So let's proceed to the generation of the chair. Yeah. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay. Just as we did before, we'll just copy the prompt when it's ready and head over to ImageFX. Place it there. But in this particular one, we have to make sure that you go to settings and select portrait. Portrait, yeah. That's what I just did. Okay. Alright, so the image of the chair is also ready, so I just have to download them. I'll just download 2 out of the 3 that I was given. Yeah, and then I move to the next one, which is the microphone. Alright, so I'll go ahead and just copy the prompt for the microphone and give it to ChatGPT. Alright. You know how we do it. You just copy the prompts. We give the prompt to ChatGPT to give us the prompt for the image, which is this one is a microphone. Yeah. Alright. So as usual, let's get it done. Alright, that's also done. So let's head to the last but not the least, which is the desk. Okay. Yeah, and then we are done. Then we move to the next stage. Alright, so I did a mistake. I should have selected landscape was on portrait, so I have to do it again. All right, so that's what I'm doing. For the decks, you have to use landscape. Yeah. Finally, we have generated all our images, so we have to move to the next stage, which is doing the actual editing in CapCut. All right, I'll be using CapCut mobile, so let's head over to that. Once you open your CapCut, click on new project and import the background that you want to use. All right, so this is the one that I'll be using. Okay, so and I'll come to overlay. Okay, and select import our main clip, the main clip that we'll be using, which is this one. Okay, so as I just did. All right, the next thing I have to do is remove the background. Okay, so I look for remove BG. All right, now click on auto remover, so it just remove the background for me. And now you see the background has been replaced. Okay, all right. The next thing we have to do is to bring in our chair. Okay, so we go and import that one as well. So this is the one I'll be using. Okay, and I'll zoom it in. All right, the next thing as well, we have to remove the background, so we look for remove BG, but with this one we're going to use chroma key because it has a green screen. Yeah, so that's what I just did. Okay, all right, as you can see, the chair has covered our video. So what do we have to do? All right, so we have to go to layers. All right, you have to go to layers and then bring our video up so that the chair will go back. You get it? So that's all I'm doing right now. Layers, then you select the video. As you can see, we are now up like 7 onto the next. So we have to also go back to overlays and import the text. Okay, so that's what I'm about to do right now. Layers, add overlay, and then select the text that you want to use. All right, so that's what I'm doing right now. So I'll be using this one. Okay, and I'll zoom in as usual. All right, and I think I have to change the background. Another thing, you have to change the background. So you go to this one too. I'll use chroma key. No, I'll use chroma key because it has green screen. All right. Okay. Once the background is eliminated, I'll position it at the right spot. All right. So you zoom in to fit in better. That's what I'm doing right now. Once that is done, you also go back to overlays and add a new overlay, which is import the microphone. Okay, so that's what I'm about to do. I'll import the microphone. All right. Okay. So I didn't really like how this one was looking, so I'll import a different microphone. Okay, so you do the same thing. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so I think this will be better, so I have to remove the background again.
Did you know I can ask you to change the background of this video from this?
So I am doing minor adjustments so that everything will look well fitted in the video. So that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, I have to stretch my background to fit the video well since my video is very lengthy. Okay, so that's what I'm about to do now. And of course, I have to also do the same thing to all the elements, all the objects that I have placed in the video. Okay, So right after I'm done with this, I'll do that for the chair, I'll do that for the desk, and also do that for the microphone. All right, so that everything will be perfect. Okay.
Did you know I can ask you to change the background of this video from this to this? And also bring a chair behind me.
Next thing is to color grade the video so that all the elements will match. Okay. So right after I'm done with this, we have to go to adjust. Okay. Okay. So in the adjustment, because the background seems it has some blues in it, I will decrease the temperature to make it cold. You get it? Yeah. And this differs. Whatever background you use, make sure you adjust the colors to match it. You get it? And when whatever you're doing, you can apply to all. So all the elements will have that settings. Once you're done with the color grading, your video is ready. Be better.
To this. And also